Hello, Disney enthusiasts. It's Michelle with Disney Uncorked. Today we are dropping some knowledge. That's right, we are talking about Disney words and phrases. We sing the songs, we watch the movies, we have pajamas with Disney phrases on them. But how many of us actually know what those words and phrases mean? From enchanted spells to ancient languages, we're about to decode 21 of Disney's most famous words and fun phrases. Trust me, you'll never hear these words the same way again, or at least you'll hope so. Let's get started, or should I say, comencemos, which means let's get started. Starting us off at number 21 is figment. Okay, so this one isn't too hard, but either way, figment is a word that's all about creativity. At Epcot's Journey into Imagination, Figment isn't just the adorable purple dragon who steals the show. His name actually has meaning. A figment refers to something created in your imagination, like a daydream or a whimsical idea. So he's literally the embodiment of imagination itself. Pretty fitting, right? Plus, with Figment as your guide, it's proof that even the wildest, wackiest ideas can become icons. Who knew a figment of our imagination could have such star power? Coming in at number 20 is Le Fou's Brew from Magic Kingdom. If you've wandered into Gaston's Tavern, you've probably tried this frothy apple caramel drink. But did you know Le Fou means the fool in French? That's right, you're sipping on a beverage named after the goofy sidekick of the guy who talks about himself in third person. Delicious and hilarious. Cheers to that. At number 19, we've got Taran from the Black Cauldron. His name is derived from the Welsh word for thunder, which sounds epic, right? Sadly, the only thunder in this movie is the sound of everyone asking, wait, what happened in this plot again? Still, Taran's bravery makes him a true underdog hero, even if most of us forget he existed. Coming in at 18 is Hey Hey from Moana. He's the clueless chicken that somehow doesn't get eaten by the ocean. Or Maui. Fun fact, Hey Hey literally means chicken in Hawaiian. Imagine being so iconic that you are just your name. Is it just me, or does anyone else wish Maui would have eaten this chicken? I digress. At number 17, let's talk about Harambe, a name you'll see all over Disney's Animal Kingdom. In Swahili, this beautiful word means pull together or unity. It's a perfect reflection of the park's dedication to wildlife conservation and teamwork. So, the next time you're strolling through Harambe Market, just know you're surrounded by more than delicious food. It's a whole vibe of togetherness. In at number 16, we have Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo. This whimsical spell from Cinderella isn't just gibberish, it's Disney's way of bottling magic into one unforgettable phrase. Whether you're turning rags into a ball gown or just looking for the motivation to get out of bed, saying this out loud will make you feel like royalty. Just don't expect a pumpkin carriage to show up. Next up at number 15 is Sanaa, the restaurant nestled inside Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. This Swahili word translates to art, which is exactly what the chefs are creating with their famous bread service. Think about it. A variety of warm naan bread paired with 9 dips. That's not just food, it's a masterpiece. And yes, ordering seconds is encouraged. And I highly recommend ordering the peri peri sauce if you like things really spicy. It is on their secret menu. Sliding in at number 14 is Aloha Isle, home of the world-famous Dole Whip in Adventureland. Aloha isn't just a greeting in Hawaiian. It conveys love, peace, and compassion. What better way to spread that spirit by sharing a cup of this creamy pineapple treat? Just don't forget to snap a pic. It's basically the unofficial mascot of Disney Instagram. At number 13, welcome to Batuu, the fictional planet in Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. While the word doesn't exist outside the galaxy far, far away, it sure sets the stage for one of Disney's most immersive lands. Whether you're sipping blue milk or dodging stormtroopers, Batu feels so real that you'll forget you're at Disney World at all. Until you check your bank account while sipping on a fuzzy tauntaun at Oga's Cantina, that is. At Animal Kingdom, Tamu Tamu Refreshments serves up tasty treats. But did you know Tamu means sweet or tasty in Swahili? It's a fitting name for a spot where you can grab a delicious Dole Whip or another refreshing snack to fuel your adventures. The double Tamu? Twice as sweet! Number 11, let's talk about Caballeros, the stars of the Grand Fiesta Tour at Epcot. In Spanish, caballeros translates to gentlemen, but it also carries the meaning of knights or horsemen, evoking a sense of honor and chivalry. In the context of the three caballeros, it's all about friendship, camaraderie, and a touch of mischief. Donald Duck, Jose Carioca, and Panchito Pistoles live up to the name as they travel through Mexico, bringing joy, music, and a little chaos wherever they go. With number 10, we're hanging out with Pacha, the lovable farmer from the Emperor's New Groove. His name comes from Quechua, which means earth. And honestly, doesn't Pacha give total grounded, salt of the earth vibes? He's the friend who helps you move and will feed you empanadas after. Roaring in at number 9 is Mufasa from The Lion King. This regal name translates to king in Swahili, which is so on brand. From that voice to his wise advice, Mufasa radiates royal energy. Honestly, if he told me to eat my Brussels sprouts, I'd probably listen. At number 8, we have Kilimanjaro, as in Kilimanjaro Safaris. It's named after Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania, Africa's highest peak. The word Kilimanjaro itself is thought to mean mountain of greatness in Swahili, which perfectly suits the awe-inspiring safari experience. From majestic elephants to towering giraffes, the name hints at the grandeur of the adventure. Landing at number 7 is Narcoossee's. This waterfront restaurant at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa takes its name from the word Narcoossee, a Seminole term for little bear. The name reflects Florida's indigenous heritage and the wildlife of the region. Dining here might not include bear sightings, but the view of the Seven Seas Lagoon is fantastic. At number 6, let's visit Tiana's Bayou Adventure, a name as elegant as its owner. Tiana comes from the Greek word for fairy queen, and really, who embodies hard work and a sparkle better than Tiana? Don't forget to visit the Critter Co-op after getting drenched to pick up some hot sauce. It's delicious. In at number 5, the word encanto in Spanish translates to charm, enchantment, or even delight, a perfect reflection of the magical Madrigal family and their extraordinary home. In the movie, the Encanto is not just their house, but the enchanted valley they live in, brimming with wonder and beauty. This name also captures the movie's deeper theme, the charm of family bonds and the magic found in embracing who you truly are. At number 4, we journey to Pandora with Savako, a Navi word meaning rise to the challenge. Whether you're braving flight of passage or just trying to survive the Florida heat, this phrase will inspire you to keep going. Plus, shouting Savako makes you feel like an avatar warrior. Try it. It's oddly empowering. At number 3, it's time for a history lesson with Epcot, which stands for Experimental Prototype Community of Tomorrow. Walt Disney envisioned it as a futuristic utopia. While we don't have flying cars, we do have Spaceship Earth and a lot of festival food. Let's call that a win. Flying in at number 2 is Zazu, the hornbill from The Lion King. His name comes from Swahili and means a movement. Let's be real, this bird never stops moving, talking, or stressing. He's the original overachiever and we love him for it. And finally at number 1, we've got Hakuna Matata. This Swahili phrase means no worries, which is exactly how you should feel on a Disney vacation. Whether you're stuck in line or you couldn't get a reservation at Space 220, first channel your inner Timon and Pumbaa. Hakuna Matata, it's the ultimate life motto. All right, well, I said Hakuna Matata was number one, but you can't have a Disney words list and not include supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, which, by the way, means extraordinarily good or wonderful. And there you have it, enthusiasts, the top 22 Disney words and phrases you might not have known the meaning of. Which one was your favorite? Did any surprise you? Did we leave off a word? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Disney things. Until next time, my friends, Hakuna Matata.